So this is a longer video than the one I've just posted on Instagram. It's just going to look at me taking all the masking tape and all the Maskol. If you can see there, see all those little bumps? See all those just there? That's all Maskol. And when I rub that off, it's just basically liquid latex from Humbrol. And when I rub all that off, you should get a nice chipped effect from this magazine. Because the idea is, I've got this Nerf Modulus. I said I wouldn't work on any more big Nerf guns because there's so much detail and they can take forever. But I'm going to put that magazine in that gun and have the blue stripe, because the other half of this magazine is tropical sand colour. So that's all tropical sand. Then I'm going to have a blue going up this magazine, going up the gun, going right up to the hand grip, and then the blue will either end here or here. So you'll have at least a third of the gun being blue, just to make sure it's not too realistic looking. Although it'll have a nice red metallic barrel as well, and a suppressor, which will be tan and metallic red as well. So for now, this video is really just focusing on this. See all the lumps, bumps, Maskol, 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 and an absolute ton of masking tape that I thought would look very cool when we take it off. So where was I? I'd already got it ready. So as you can see, I used loads of masking tape on the edges, layer upon layer upon layer just to catch all the paint. Then just a bag, just to take all the excess area, see at the back, so I don't have to use tons of tape, as long as I take that down fine. Now, there's about 3 layers of blue on this. I think it's a Peugeot blue, I'm not sure. Let me just see which one it is. 1 second. So these are the 2 colours. That is the tan colour from Fosco Tropical Sand, if you can see. And then the blue is, let me have a look. Ooh, Aero Night Blue from Plastic Coat. I really do like these colours. They're not too liquidy as some of the others, but I also use High Coat as well. High Coat's really good. But for now, let's just take all this off. So you can see I've already begun. I have no idea. Well, you can see there, just if you can see how this top layer caught all the paint. But see how layers, I think that's the 3rd layer. See that little bit down there? So it's caught that part. So as much layering as possible, I always try. Let's see how this looks. So there's the tan sand colour underneath. So already I'm very happy with that. Took it off from the front. Nice and slow so we don't take off the paint. Had a bit of a panic there. See that colour? That's because I originally started it with red. Didn't like it, so I went with blue. Red with the sand. I wanted something just that you'd notice that would make a statement. You'll also see each of those individual lines. So that's me taking the masking tape, just cutting it to little straight strips and putting it one over the other to layer and add extra protection. It takes forever. It really does. Now, where is my cocktail stick? Cocktail sticks, here we are. This, the Modulus friend. I swear to God, these things you can do just about. They just help you with so many small little angles. Let me see. That one went well. Put that to one side. Now, if I can get the one under them all, I can get it coming off like a caterpillar. So here we are. Ready? Come on, come on, come on. Look at that. Does that look okay? I'm not worried about the edging in there because it's so small, and I can always use model paint, some Citadel paints to cover that up. It's as long as I don't get too much on the body itself. There's a bit there. That's okay. Once again, you can get away with calling it weathered and worn. On the bottom, there's a little bit there. Oh no, that's Maskol. That's Maskol. See just there, that's Maskol, that's okay. So let's get rid of it here as well. Lift that up. Nope, that's okay there. Start from the bottom or the top of the magazine, depending on your point of view. Right, you ready? All in one go. Bosh. All that comes off. Some damage there, that's okay, model paint can deal with that. I'll just fleck off, that's okay. Now let's get the rest of this off. Hold on, cocktail stick. Oh, look at that. That's okay, that's Maskol, that's the Maskol. Like I said, I have no idea how well this is going to come out. See, there's the plastic bag that covered the entire top. Take all that off. Take this off now. And there you go. And that's how the magazine's going to go. Let me move that. That's how the magazine will look. So the blue will go up there and the blue will go right up to the handle. Something along those lines anyway. So I'm making it up as I go. Put the camera back in place. And now for the Maskol itself. Let me try, now this part should be just a little fleck of Maskol. See, look. You get that nice wooden bust look. Ignore the red, that's just the paint underneath. But let me get for a better, I mean there it is, just there you go, chipped and worn. Add some silver in that, it'll look really battered. Let me try, here we are, the front edge. Usually pricking it, hitting it with the cocktail stick might damage it, so you don't want it just rubbing it. Hold on, give me a sec. Once you get enough of it, see there? That's all it is. That's all it is. That's all it does. I did put a fair amount on the front here just to do this. Make it look really, really bad. See? And all the paint just chips away. See? This is a well-used magazine. Oh, come on. Where are you? There you go. See the purple? That's the Maskol. You just grab it, pull, and off comes all the paint. See there? Look. That's all it is. But I've got loads of it. So there. And that's what Maskol gives you. No. See? Now there's about 3 layers of blue paint on here. So it's chipping off like this, which I am absolutely fine with. So each time you use this, it's unique, so I'm quite happy with it. And that's what it'll look like. So you'll stick it in the gun. It'll be all worn here with silver and black. The silver I use is Citadel lead belcher, which is amazing stuff. But that, I'm going to grab this big piece as a last hurrah. It's weirdly satisfying. Taking something you've spent ages on and then trying to make it look as trashy as possible. Some up there. That's it. Look, from that, how it looked at the beginning, to how it looks now. There's still little bits and bobs that I've got to find. And you'll notice the debris all over the table. Got to make sure I get all that up. There's more there. I actually take photos before I spray it just to remember where it all is. So this is what I can see now, but I'll be doing it later by referencing my old photos. Yeah. Sure that's some there. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There's a ton under here. Battered and worn. That's what we're going for. See, there's still some bits left there. But for now, I'll just finish this off. But there you go. 11 minutes on masking tape and Maskol. If you've watched this far, well done. But thanks for watching.